Welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'm going to show you how to change a blown speaker on an E90 BMW. So let's get started. First thing we'll want to do is take a plastic trim removal piece and remove this trim piece from the door. Just gently pry it and work your way across the door until it comes off. Once that's removed, we have 4 T20 Torx screws that we'll need to remove. There's the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Using our T20 Torx bit, we'll be able to remove the screws. Now, using the dash removal tool, we will need to remove the cover piece on the door handle. Once that's removed, we'll need to remove another T20 Torx screw. Now we'll use a wider plastic pry tool to remove the door card from the door. Just find a spot where you can get it fit between the door and the card, and then just gently pry your way around the door. And take your time so you don't break too many connectors. Once you pry the card loose, gently pull it away from the door and lift up to unhook the card from the windowsill. I'll be holding the door card and resting part of it on the door sill so that I don't have to disconnect the wires and they won't have tension on it. Okay, so now we can see the speaker needs to be replaced. First, we'll remove the green wire connector, and then we'll remove the blue wire connector. There are 3 T20 Torx screws that we'll need to remove. Okay, so here's the blown speaker. And here's the part number for the speaker. Okay, so I picked up a new speaker from ECS Tuning, and I'll have a link in the description below. Here's the part number for the new speaker. And I'll install the speaker with the connectors closest to me. And then we'll add the 3 T20 Torx screws back to the speaker and tighten them down. Then we will reconnect the blue wire connector. We'll plug it in the left side. And then we'll take the green wire connector and connect it to the right side. With the new speaker put in, we can reinstall the door card. First, I'm lining up the hole on the top of the door card with the door lock that comes up and down when you lock and unlock the door. Once that's lined up, I'm going to hook and secure the door card to the windowsill. And once I have that secured, then I'm just going to work my way around, pressing the door card back into the connectors. Then I'll reinstall the tweeter by snapping it back into the spot in the door. Lining it up first and then snapping it in. And then I'll move the weather stripping back to the front of the tweeter. Next, I'll reinstall the T20 torque screw to the door handle. And then the 4 screws back to the door. Now I will install the door handle cover. And add the trim piece back to the door. Just gently pushing it in and working my way across the trim piece. Okay, and now you can hear the clear speaker when the chime rings. And we are good to go. Okay, so that's how you change the door speaker on an E90 series BMW. This wasn't too bad and didn't take me too long to replace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps support my channel. And if you've had to replace the speakers on your car or have questions about it, leave a comment below. I'd love to read it. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.